If you look closely at it here, I tried to. I did mention to the owner that. Alright, everything's back together. New bearings in there, new seals, new chain. Everything's pretty nice. I was gonna film, banging the bearings in, but it's not exactly rocket science. But yeah, there it is. She's basically done. 99.9% done. Need a caliper for it. Caliper's still there. I don't need a caliper. Need the rebuild kit and the brakes, and away it goes. Yeah, it fires up and runs really good. Doesn't take much. Easy. I can kick it over by hand. Ouch. Yeah, maybe I can't. Use my foot. Oh, it's gonna fall off my stand. Okay, well anyway, it runs really good. Let's see if I can get my big leg up there. Do. Try this again. Oh no. Oh man, look at all the broken stuff in my shop. Got a couple new additions. Little Red is back, Cowie and the Yami. Oh, this guy's got to get to work, man. Holy crap. So I guess, see what's going on here. We're still waiting on brake pads for the Cowie. I have the caliper rebuild kit that came in the other day. I'm going to wait for the brake pads before I install all this. Here's the caliper and the rebuild kit. So we'll go on to this guy here. This is an Arctic Cat. What is this? An Arctic Cat 90, I think? Yeah, Arctic Cat 90. Fires up. Starts okay. But as soon as you give it, it wants to die. So, interesting. Pull the carb off. Have a look at it. Usual rigmarole. Knocking you around. The carb lives right down in there. Yeah. Well, I don't know if this air cleaner's ever been off. I'll pull the air cleaner off and have a look. Need a screwdriver. Screwdriver. Relax. Don't do that. Oh, engineers, why do you make this stuff impossible to take apart? I just want to get the air cleaner out, man. Relax. My men's elevator? I can't even get down there. Okay. Upgrade the tool. Ooh, that hasn't been off in a long time. Holy crap. Oh. Let's start removing the last screw, shall we? Durr. Durka, 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 durka. Reader off. Let's have a look. That's actually not so bad. Okay, I expected that to be a lot worse than that. It doesn't look that bad. I expected it to look a lot worse than that. Interesting little filter. A little thick. Could use a cleaning. A simple little filter. There's a 10 there. And there's a 10 there. And how the heck am I supposed to get that one off? Okay, gotta come up with a game plan to get that airbox out of there. I guess if I wanted to make a video, the smart thing would be to hit the record button. So I forgot to hit the record button, but carb is out. That was real fun getting that son of a gun out of there. Yeah, and these plastics aren't easy to take off, so I really didn't want to take that route. You'd have to take the you have to take the handlebars off to get to that. Yes. So I didn't get too far before I realized, hey, I should put the camera on, but there doesn't look to be too much stuff in here. I mean, it's not as dirty as like I expected it to be. The bowl seal stayed on the wrong side of the carb, but that's okay. We'll peel that off of there. Stick her back on the bowl. Yeah. Still A little bit of rubbery malleability to it. Malleability. Okay, so it's really not looking as dirty as I thought it would be. You can see through that. Yeah, you can see through it. It's good. The emulsion tube looks good. All the holes look good. So main jet looks okay. Let's get the pilot out. Get the screwdriver. This guy will fit in there. The pilot. Huh. Is it plugged? Can't see through that one. Yeah, it's pretty plugged with stuff. Yummy gas. So that pilot jet is plugged. I can barely blow through it, and that would cause off idle to stumble and stall like that. I can't see through that at all. So now we need to find a poker, try to poke that clean without changing that jet size. So, a little bit of a wire, it's just a cone style, big gnarly wire brush. I just bent one of the wires out. I'm going to stick that through there, if I can. Oh, that's too big. Can we see through it now? It's still kind of plugged up. Okay, try something else. A little piece of wire. We'll stick that little piece of wire in there. Camera view. Oh, there we go. That goes through. Okay, to take a break for a second. Okay, let's try to do this again here. Stick that in there. You want to be careful about what you stick in here, how big of an item you stick in here, because you don't want to change the hole size. Because I've done that before. I went and cleaned out a pilot a long time ago, and I used a drill bit, and I thought I was being really smart, but I ended up opening the pilot right up with the drill bit. Okay, that is through. Can we see? See if I can get the light. Here's the light. Can we see light through that little hole? Oh yeah, there you go. See the light through there now? Now it's clean. You couldn't see through it before. All it takes is one teeny tiny little piece of crud to get caught up inside there, and yeah, you're foobarred. Okay, gonna put it all back together, put it on, and give her a shot. So I guess if I'm gonna make a video working on a quad, I should probably, hit record when I start working on it. Well, anyway, carb is back on there. Yeah, it fires up, it runs good. Clean the airbox. That's pretty Nice little machine. Fires right up. Goes pretty good too. Not bad for a little 90. Okay, that one's done.